Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn about measurement. But before that, let's watch this video first.
We measure to find out how big or small something is. We can find its size, we can measure it. Can you tell me which is taller, a flower or a tree? Can you tell me which is smaller, a beaver or a bee? We measure to find out how big or small something is. We can find its size, we can measure it. Can you tell me which is taller, a wagon or a bridge? Can you tell me which is smaller, a fountain or a fish? We measure to find out how big or small something is. We can find its size, we can measure it. Whoa, birds are so much bigger than shells left on the beach. Whoa, sticks are so much longer than worms found on a leaf. We measure to find out how big or small something is. We can find its size, we can measure it. Oh, we can find its size, we can measure it.
What have you observed based on the video I presented? Alright, so the video is all about measurement, right? What is measurement? Measurement is all about comparing and qualifying things using different units. We use measurement to understand the size, length, weight, and capacity of objects. We can measure length using different units such as centimeters or cm and meters or m. For example, if I have a pencil and I want to measure its length, I can use a ruler and measure it in centimeters. So can anyone tell me how long this pencil is in centimeters? Yes, that's correct. It's 10 centimeters. When measuring an object, you must line up the end with the start of the ruler or measuring tape. To compare the length of two objects, find the difference by subtracting the length of the short object from the longer object. So now, to test your understanding about our lessons, let's have some practice activity. Find the difference in length between the two objects. As you can see, the measurement of the worm is 3 inches, while the rope measures 7 inches. So if we subtract the measurement together, we will have 4 inches, right? Measurement is an important skill that help us understand the world around us. So keep practicing and exploring different measurements in your daily life. Well done! And for your assignment, measure objects that can be seen in your house using a ruler, tape measure, or any type of measuring unit. Then put the name of the objects and indicate their measurements beside their names. So we will check that tomorrow. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a great day ahead.